Hello everyone, welcome to today's MCQ session. In this session, we will solve some important question one by one and I will explain each answer with proper reasoning. So you never forget the concept again. So get ready, think carefully. Let's start with question number 1. Which of the following are examples of odd electron molecules? And the options are oxygen, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and nitric oxide. So, odd electron molecule are those which contain an unpaired electron in their molecular orbital. These species are paramagnetic. So, in this question, in case of oxygen, oxygen has even number of electron. That is 16 electron. Because each oxygen atom has 8 number of electrons. Because there is 2 atoms, so oxygen molecule has 8 multiplied 2. Total 16 number of electron, which is an even figure. There are 8 pair of electron and no unpaired electron. And as we know, odd electron species has one unpaired electron. So it is not an odd electron species. Next option is carbon monoxide. So in case of carbon monoxide, there are 14 number of electrons, which is also an even number because carbon has 6 electron and oxygen has 8 electron. So total electrons will be 6 plus 8, 14 electron. So there are 7 pair of electron and no unpaired electron. Due to absence of unpaired electron, it is not an odd electron species. Next option is NO2. In case of NO2, there are total 23 number of electrons, which is an odd number. So there is, because nitrogen has 7 electron and oxygen has 16 electron. So total 23 electron, in which 22 are paired and 1 electron is unpaired. So it is an odd electron molecule because there is presence of 1 unpaired electron. Next option is NO. In case of NO, total number of electron is 15, which is also an odd figure because nitrogen has 7 electron and oxygen has 8 electron. So total 15 electron, in which 14 electrons are paired and 1 electron is unpaired. So it is also an odd electron species. So the final answer will be NO2 and NO. Next question is, what property is common to odd electron molecules? So odd electron molecules are those that contain unpaired electron in their outermost shell. And because of this unpaired electron, these species are called free radicals. So the answer will be B. They often have a free radical. Next question is, which of the following statements about odd electron molecule is true? The options are, they do not exist in nature, they are typically non-polar, they often participate in chain reaction, and they always have an even number of electrons. So, as we know, odd electron molecule have unpaired electron, making them free radical. These free radicals are highly reactive and can initiate or propagate chain reaction. So the answer will be C. They often participate in chain reaction. Question number 4 is, why are odd electron molecules often reactive? The options is, they have unpaired electrons, they have a high molecular weight, they are always in gaseous state, and the last option is, they have a complete octet. So as we have already discussed that odd electron molecule have unpaired electron and they are highly reactive. So the answer will be A. They have unpaired electron. Question number 5 is, which of the following is a characteristic of the stability of odd electron molecules? And the options are, they are always unstable, they are more stable than even electron molecules, they can be stabilized by resonance, and the last option is, their stability is independent of molecular structure. So as we know that odd electron has unpaired electron and this unpaired electron can delocalize between atoms, which increase stability. So the answer will be C. They can be stabilized by resonance. Next question is, how does the presence of an odd electron affect the reactivity of a molecule? And the options are, it makes the molecule less reactive, it has no effect on reactivity, it stabilizes the molecule, it increases the molecular reactivity. So, unpaired electron means the molecule has one electron without a partner. That is no spin pairing. And atoms and molecule prefer to have paired electron because paired electron have opposite spin which cancel magnetic effect and lower energy. And unpaired electron makes the molecule energetically unstable. This unpaired electron try to react with other molecule to pair up that lone electron. So unpaired electron increases the molecular reactivity. So the answer will be D. It increases the molecule's reactivity. Next question is, which of the following factor can influence the stability of odd electron molecule? And the options are symmetrical shape, presence of ionic bonds, high molecular weight, and resonance structure. As we previously discussed, that unpaired electron can delocalize between atoms, which is called resonance. And the resonance increases the stability of odd electron molecule. So the answer will be resonance structure. Question number 8 is, odd electron molecules are often involved in which type of chemical reaction? And the options are chain reaction, substitution reaction, addition reaction, and elimination reaction. So, due to presence of unpaired electron, free radicals are highly reactive because they want to pair up that lone electron when one radical reacts with another molecule. It often creates a new radical which continue the reaction. This is what we call chain reaction. So the answer will be A, chain reaction. Question number 9 is, what can stabilize an odd electron molecule? And the options are absence of resonance, presence of a lone pair, high electronegativity, and formation of a dimer. And the answer is formation of a dimer. A dimer is formed when two identical molecules join together. If those molecules each have an unpaired electron, they can pair up their electron by forming a new covalent bond, that reducing instability because dimer has all electron paired and becomes diamagnetic and more stable. So the answer will be D. Question number 10 is, which of the following is true about electronic configuration of odd electron molecules? And the options are, they have paired electrons only, they have unpaired electrons, they have no electrons, and they have full valence shell. So as we previously discussed, odd electron molecules have unpaired electron. So the answer will be B. They have unpaired electrons. So that's all for today's session. I hope you understand each question and its explanation clearly. Keep practicing. The more you solve, the better you get. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.